Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Dogecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 4-hour if you're new to the markets and technical charts. Well, instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. And I do that, and I bring that up just because, reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this, Sunday afternoon, for example, the video, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But from the presentation standpoint, I want to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And by using the 4-hour time frame, it's going to allow me to talk about more so general levels and map out some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. So the big dynamic here, and I get it, for those of you that have watched past videos, I keep talking about the same things, but I mean, they 100% still pertain. And the big dynamic here is that purple line, the 50-period moving average, which I talked time and time again. And since the last update, check it out. Check right where it got rejected from. Right at that level, the 50-period moving average. So that brings up the very first question that you're going to want to ask yourself. So let's say you are watching this video on Sunday afternoon. Question number one becomes, all right, well, where is the price at relative to, let's just call it 34 cents, which would basically be the value of that level? If you're answering the question that the price is up above 34 cents, that is a bullish situation. There is a breakout that is underway. Now, how big of a breakout, how bullish of a situation? Well, you'll just have to use common sense and gut instincts, meaning the further up above 34 cents the price is, the more bullish the breakout, the more strong the breakout. So nothing fancy, just the further up above it is, the better. Now on the flip side, maybe you're saying, well, no, Clay, it's actually still down below 34 cents. All right, that's fine. But then the next question becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to this overall trend line, which so far so good, has been, done a good job of showing the overall trend of things. And right now that's valued right around the 30-cent mark. So again, if you're answering the question that the price is still down below that 50-period moving average, well, where's the price at relative to 30 cents? If you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually down below it, well, that is now officially a bearish situation. That would be known as a bearish breakdown. Now, how bearish of a breakdown? How bad of a breakdown? Again, common sense. Well, how far down below 30 cents is it? And the further down below 30 cents, the more bearish the breakdown and the more bearish the chart has become. Or maybe you're just saying, well, Clay, no, the price is still down below that level, but it is still up above the trend line. Well, then at that point, one word would just be consolidation, and that would be how you'd summarize it at that point in time. But yeah, it's definitely taken very, very interesting shape here, and it'll be interesting to see how this one plays out over the weekend. But let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.